Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork leg achar. First, ensure your pork leg is cut into uniform 2-inch pieces, about 1.5 kilograms in total. Next, prepare your essential spices, 2 tablespoons each of ginger garlic paste and red chili powder, along with 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Finally, measure out 1 cup of vinegar. These initial steps are crucial for a flavorful achar. Now, let's marinate the pork to infuse it with delicious flavors. In a large bowl, combine the pork pieces with the ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight for deeper flavor. Next, we'll start cooking our achar base. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, letting them splutter. Then, carefully add the marinated pork to the pan. Cook the pork, stirring occasionally, until it's nicely browned on all sides, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. To finish our delicious pork leg achar, pour in the 1 cup of vinegar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and continue cooking until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Once done, let the achar cool completely before transferring it to an airtight jar. It will be ready to enjoy in a few days and can be stored for 3 to 4 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.